has been asked, Sheikh Salam, is it permissible to get a nose piercing? It depends upon the intention. I always used to say that if you think that piercing of the nose is just to add your own beauty, and it has got nothing to show off or invite the opposite sex, and you are not in an environment where this can become a source of temptation for the opposite sex, for the man, then it is allowed. Otherwise, if that can become a source of temptation for the opposite sex, or even same sex, today in this country everything is okay. Sex between same sex and sex between same men and men and women. So it could be woman attracted to the another woman because of this kind of makeup or this kind of adornment to the body. So this is, in that sense, you are right person to know what is your intention. Generally in Islam it is allowed. Generally in Islam it is allowed, because there is a hadith of Rasulullah sallallahu in Sahih Bukhari that Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam delivered the Eid khutbah to the men. He was, after the Eid prayer, he went to the men's side, he gave a speech to the men, and then he went to the female side and he gave a speech to them as well. And he told them that, "O women, Allah has shown me the hellfire, and in that hellfire I have seen that the majority of the people of the hell were the women. And the reason that why the women were in the hell, not because they were disbelieving in Allah, but they were always ungrateful to their husbands. They were always ungrateful to their husbands." So he advised them. Now this is the question with regards to the piercing of the nose, that it is permissible in Islam. This is the point here. When Rasulullah told them that fear Allah and give sadaqat and zakat, so that alhamdulillah you will be saved and protected from the hellfire. So the hadith says in Sahih Bukhari that the women, they had some gold in their nose, they removed the gold from the nose. Women, they had golds in their ears, they removed the golds from the ears. Now they won't be having some special type of glue to stick their gold there. It has to be pierced one. Could be piercing in the ears, could be piercing in the nose. So they were using those ornaments and adorning their body. So this is the example, and based on that I can say it is halal, inshallah.